faster freestyle stroke. It's really important that if you're going to enter into races or if you want to become a better swimmer, that you are putting in the effort to get faster or better and build our technique, right? So in order to be a faster swimmer, you need to have better technique. And technique will come from consistency in your practicing. Now, it's all about the arms, the kicks, and how our body is tilting through the water. A lot of people don't understand, but if you want to swim faster, your body needs to actually tilt just a tiny little bit. You're going to rock back and forth. As your arm reaches through the water, you're going to gallop. It's almost like a horse. As a horse runs through an open field, you'll see that they start to build this rhythm. And that's the same thing that we need to do in the pool. So we need to create that rhythm and that gallop with our entire body as we swim through the water. And that's what's going to help us become a faster and better freestyle swimmer.